guys, make sure to make the airplane, but we're gonna check it out for the thunder that's where to make it. For this, we're gonna need only like what you can do anything. We're gonna hold from this, gonna make using the other side. Control, control is the triangle. Now when you see there's a sticky triangle, you're gonna hold the triangle until in the crease. Do it same the other side. You do the crease there. Now you're gonna just short it, a short left, a short left down. Unfold. See you just have to triangle. Hold it down. I'm gonna turn that over. Hold it down. This. Finger and wrong. Like this. And here. I'm gonna there and hold it. And this. And make it flat. And we're gonna make it flat. This. Now you're gonna hold it down like this. And make it this fine. So now you're gonna cut the bone to make it like there and turn the whole down. Now you're gonna hold like this. You're gonna tuck the corner here. Show you like this. Now you're gonna go to the back. And you're gonna front first. And then you're gonna turn the back. The back. And you see there's a curve. I'm gonna hold it like this. I'm gonna hold it from make it like this. I'm gonna open this back. I'm gonna hold it like this to make the beat. Okay. Now, see, when you're done, I'm gonna go back. Now you see you have the beat. There you have the beat. Now this is the last thing. Is hold it and make this. And make it the way upward. And you do the same thing. There. Now you're done with this. There, that's where the tools. Now that's what it's very that's recording. Now bye guys. Yeah, this is my second video. Bye.